Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'll be speaking about the vegetation assessment on the Warburton Mountain Bike Destination Project, which is based on a case study that I did about the Warburton Mountain Bike Project. So, for today's agenda, we will look at a description, the key vegetation factors to monitor, a vegetation assessment protocol, as well as the challenges and solutions involved, my personal experience and reflection when it comes to a vegetation assessment, and lastly, the connection to adaptive management and outcome. So, the project, which is located in the Yarra Ranges, presents challenges for native vegetation. Vegetation assessments are essential to understand baseline ecological conditions and monitor the impacts of trail development over time. These assessments help ensure the project minimizes disturbance, protects native species, and aligns with regulatory requirements under the Environmental Effects Statement, also known as the EES. A comprehensive state assessment provides and supports adaptive management strategies, which balances tourism development and biodiversity conservation. Key factors to monitor include species richness and composition, which help identify both native and invasive species to protect biodiversity. We will also track changes in indicator species, which reflect habitat quality, and monitoring vegetation cover and plant health is very vital for detecting habitat degradation, while controlling the spread of invasive species along the trails prevents disruption of ecosystems. Another key factor would be seasonal monitoring, which is also crucial to see the state and growth of vegetation during different periods over time. So, my proposed protocol involves using 1 by 1 meter quadrats to monitor species richness along trails and controlled areas, with transect lines assessing variations across zones like forest edges and interiors. So, what we'll do is we'll place 10 quadrats per transect and conduct assessments twice a year during growth periods in spring and autumn so that we can capture seasonal variation. So, the challenges we may face are that trails may facilitate the spread of invasive species, which then reduces native plant diversity. So, a solution for that would be regular monitoring and manual removal of invasive plants near the trails and consider revegetation with native species to restore disturbed areas. Another challenge would be seasonal growth fluctuations complicate comparisons between sampling periods. So, our solution for this would be conduct vegetation assessments during the same season each year to ensure comparability. Next, this is my personal experience and reflections. So, through class activities and field experiences, I have observed how trails and human activities affect plant cover and species diversity. During a vegetation survey at the Jock Marshall Reserve, I noted the importance of correctly identifying species to distinguish native plants from invasive ones. These practical insights are essential for the Warburton project, where effective species identification is crucial for managing biodiversity. Additionally, I've learned how trails can create edge effects which alter the microclimate and introduce new stresses for native plants, thus highlighting the importance of vegetation monitoring. So, for adaptive management and outcome. So, in the context of adaptive management and outcome, these assessments will provide critical baseline data. So, if we detect vegetation loss, we can reroute trails or even implement replanting programs. And ongoing monitoring ensures that the project remains sustainable and minimizes ecological impacts while fostering trust among stakeholders by demonstrating a commitment to environmental stewardship. Alright, that's it guys. So here are the references I've used throughout the slides. And once again, Thank you for watching.